Queen, queen, cause my bed's waiting there. What's up, queens and kings? Welcome back to another video. Oh my god, guys, I feel like $1,000,000. I feel so good. I hope you guys are feeling great as well, because I had the best weekend I've ever had in a really long time. A 3-day weekend, hung out with great people, was very productive. I started going back to the gym, so I feel good. Endorphins, all that type of stuff. Feel amazing. If you guys can see from the title of this video is going to be a video on how to achieve this glam look today. Well, this natural look, I mean, I honestly didn't use that many products. I posted this video, I think I might be able to pop it up on the screen. I posted this video on my Instagram story, and you guys literally loved it. You guys were like, oh my god, your skin looks so nice. And I was like, thank you. I appreciate it. So this look kind of goes beyond soft glam, because not only is it soft, but I'm honestly not wearing that much makeup on my face at all, and you guys are gonna see that once I jump into the video. But you guys really liked it, so I want to get on here and show you guys how to do a quick 5 to 10 minute look. If you guys don't have a lot of time, this is the perfect look for you to do. Like, it's great, you know what I mean? Like, look at this. Before you guys continue with the video, I would like you guys to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because that would help that'll help me out a lot, and like, it just lets me know that you actually want to see what I have going on, you know what I mean? It's like, damn, like,
Ryan, you're dropping some bangers, man. You're dropping some good stuff.
So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I mean, of course, don't like it if you don't like it, but I mean, fuck it, like it anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna show you guys how to slay this look. So if you guys like to see how to do this soft, simple look, then I want you guys to keep on watching. Okay, all right. See you guys in a second. Let's go ahead and jump up into this video. So before I like to start any type of makeup look, I like to make sure my skin is nice and primed and hydrated. Now my skin is super dry, so I have to make sure that I have a nice hydration going on, or moisturization, because if I don't, then things will start to cake up and look really flaky, especially like around my nose area. If you have oily skin, they do have primers out there that are mattifying primers, which will take the moisture out of your face or give you more of a smooth kind of dry finish. However, I personally have very dry skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that my skin is nice and moisturized. So to start off, I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus Primer Spray, and this is in a color like Gold Light. They have different type of like Fix Plus sprays and MACs. I like the Gold Light one because it has little pieces of like glitter in it, and it looks really cool when you spray your face, because you can kind of like, it kind of gives your face like an iridescent type of look. So I'm gonna take that and give my face a nice little mist. As you can see, my skin looks a little wet. That's what we want, especially if you have, again, dry skin. I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops. Now, these drops are absolutely amazing. I tried these drops the first time in my soft glam makeup tutorial, and I literally love it so much. You know, ooh, queen. Oh, you guys, this stuff is so good, like, all right, cool. So now that we have our skin nice and hydrated and prepped for our makeup, let's go ahead and go on with our first product. You guys are gonna literally be so surprised when you find out that the look you just saw at the beginning of this video was just using powder foundation. Now, the powder foundation I went ahead and used is the Dark Deep foundation from MAC. Listen, I love this formula so much. It like literally gives you, like, as you guys saw, like, such a flawless finish, and you don't really need much of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the top up. You could take like a beauty blender, or like any type of sponge, or a powder puff. Today I'm gonna be using a powder puff, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the Dark Deep. Get it on there. I recommend you start really light, and then you build it up, because you don't want to go in with too much. Again, we're trying to make our skin look flawless, but not look like we're wearing too much makeup. So, and it's gonna look crazy at first, but trust me, it's gonna work itself out in the end. You know what it is? You hear that? All right, so now that we have our foundation powder on, like kind of like our T-zone area, we're gonna go ahead and start to buff it down a little bit. So we're gonna go along the edges and slowly just start to buff. We don't want to see where it starts and where it ends. We want to just like literally go in and buff it down. All right, so guys, now that we have our powder on, we wanna go ahead and set this in place. So what I'm gonna go ahead and use is a face spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and just spritz this all over. We're gonna go ahead and take our buffing brush. We're gonna go ahead and just tap. We're gonna tap that product into the skin. Guys, look at our skin so far. Don't our skin look really, really, really flawless? Like, I'm telling you, all you need is a little bit of powder foundation, a little bit of Fix Plus spray, and like, you're solid. We're just gonna go ahead and coat our natural lashes with mascara. All right, so now that I have, my face is like almost done. So now that I have my powder on, I set it, I put my mascara on. Let's go ahead and glow a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach for my MAC highlighter in the color Show Gold. I'm gonna go ahead and put the highlighter on the high points of my face. Up here at the little bridge part, you know, like the little, is that called the bridge? I don't even know what that is, but like right here. Ooh, ooh. Yes. And now that we applied the highlighter to the face, I want to go ahead and spritz my face once more with some setting spray. Take that brush and just dab the spray in. Guys, we're almost complete with this really simple look. So to finish the look off, actually we have a couple more steps, but they're really simple and really easy. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our eyebrows. Now, I personally don't like my eyebrows to look very done. Like, I don't want them to look like, I am so sorry. I want my eyebrows to look very effortless and really bushy and like full. So you'll see. I like to take a spoolie. So this is the same spoolie that I use when I do my drag brows, so they have like glue on them, but it's okay if the glue is dry. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush with Got2b Glue Freeze Dry Spray. Now this may sound insane, but I actually learned this tip from James Charles, and like what you can do is you can spray the spoolie with the Got2b glue, and you can go ahead and brush your eyebrow hairs up. And if you notice, the eyebrows get a little bit more feathery and they're starting to stick up. That's what I want. I like really feathery, full looking brows. So done. So now that my eyebrows are kind of like laying in place, laying exactly where I want them to lay, okay, y'all, I like really, really dark brows, so excuse me. You guys can use like a natural brow color, but I like using like eyeliner for my eyebrows. I know it sounds crazy, but I just like dark brows. So I'm not gonna go ham with this, but I'm gonna go in and do some like eyebrow hair like strokes at the front of my brow and kind of bring it throughout my entire brow. And I think I'm gonna make a little tail. I haven't really decided that yet, but we'll see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah, they're a little bit dark, but it's not that crazy. They have shape, but it's not like crazy. Like, they have a point to it, but it's not like, it's like a little something that like, you know. Now you guys, we are damn near done with this look. I'm a little bit extra, so I like beauty marks. That's one thing about me, is that I don't have any beauty marks on my face. I mean, my face is like one giant beauty mark, right? Kidding. But I don't have any beauty marks. I like putting beauty marks on my face when I'm in drag. However, when I'm out of drag, I don't want to have a huge like mole on my face if it's not real. So I like to take my eyeliner, I like to do like, the tiniest little beauty mark right here. See that? See that? It's a little something something. Nothing too crazy, just a little something to say, hey, look it, you're beautiful. Okay. My lips are big. My lips get really dry, really chapped, really easily. So you can use a chapstick if you want to use a chapstick. However, I like using like lip gloss. But of course, I don't like apply a ton of lip gloss. I don't want to have a lot of lip gloss. So if I'm trying to get out the house, I'm gonna go ahead and take our lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Diamond Milk. I'm just gonna go ahead and like put that on our lip. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and put that on our lips right now. Alright you guys, and that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is what I would do if I was just going out either for a night out with some friends, going to like a special event or something like that that I don't really need to like put on a shit ton of makeup for. This is something you can go to really quick, really easy. And yeah, you guys,